Hey friends, welcome back. I wanted to give you an exciting update on the real-time custom applications we've been working on for the patterns. So here's where we're at. The goal right now is to run these patterns in real time on live data and develop a super smooth, fast process that updates seamlessly. Now, if you've been following along, you know that my advisor and I have been talking about this for a couple of years now. We're exploring a major shift in the technology, moving away from the kernel density estimation approach that you've seen in the beginner VBA program and the intermediate Mathematica and Stata demonstrations. Instead, we're working on a faster, more efficient method that doesn't rely on a specific window size for smoothing. This is going to make the process not only faster, but also way more realistic for real-time applications. I'm confident this new approach is going to be a game changer. It's all about making these patterns more actionable and useful in real-world scenarios. So stay tuned for updates as we continue to refine and test this technology. Now let's talk about the courses. My timeline is still the same. By spring of 2026, I plan to have the courses fully out of pre-sale mode and packed with content for the beginner and intermediate versions. Most of the content is already done, so I'll be filling those out as we go. But here's the deal. The pre-sale pricing will stay valid until either the timeline runs out or the preset number of slots are filled. Right now, I think we're at about 50 slots for each level of membership. Once those are filled, I'll update the pricing, but the advanced course, that's staying in development until I'm 100% confident the results are there and ready to roll out. I want to make sure it's absolutely dialed in before launching the final version. That said, I'm confident we'll get there, and I'm keeping the course up for you to invest in at a discount while we're building the technology and preparing for the full rollout. So if you're ready to dive in, now's the time to grab your spot at the pre-sale price. And if you're curious about how this all works, check out the beginner and intermediate demonstrations to get a feel for the process. I'll keep you updated every step of the way as we move closer to launching the advanced course and rolling out the real-time applications. Thanks for being part of this journey with me. I'm so excited about what's ahead, and I can't wait to share more with you soon. Keep in mind that the goal of the advanced product is to have the most custom and real-time applications. Hence, you can detect patterns in real data in real time and take action on them. In contrast, the beginner and intermediate versions may have some practical ability. The goal is to teach you the technology so you understand it well enough to run the patterns in real time. If you've got questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep crushing it.